Welcome to this lesson on writing linear equations. Today, we are going to learn how to write an equation in slope-intercept form when we are given the slope and the y-intercept. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that makes graphing and understanding lines much easier. First, let's look at the formula itself. This is called the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. It is the most common way to write linear equations because it gives us two key pieces of information directly: the slope, represented by m, and the y-intercept, represented by b. Let's break down those two variables. The letter m stands for slope. Slope tells us how steep the line is and which direction it goes. You might remember it as rise over run. The letter b stands for the y-intercept. This is the exact point where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. Writing the equation is actually quite simple. We follow three steps. First, we identify the slope, m. Second, we identify the intercept, b. And third, we just plug those numbers into the formula y equals mx plus b. It is essentially a fill-in-the-blanks exercise. Let's try our first example. Suppose we are told that the slope m is 2 and the y-intercept b is 3. We start with our formula y equals mx plus b. We replace m with 2 and b with 3. Our final equation is y equals 2x plus 3. Now let's look at a case with a negative slope. Here, the slope m is -1 and the intercept b is 5. When we substitute these in, we get y equals -1x plus 5. However, in algebra, we usually don't write the number 1 in front of x, so the best answer is simply y equals -x plus 5. Slopes can also be fractions. If the slope m is 3/4 and the intercept b is -2, we just plug them in. Be careful with the sign of the intercept. Since b is -2, the plus sign in the formula becomes a minus sign. So, our equation is y equals 3/4 x minus 2. What happens if the slope is 0? Here, m equals 0 and b equals 4. Substituting these gives us y equals 0x plus 4. Since 0 times anything is 0, that term disappears. We are left with just y equals 4. This equation represents a horizontal line. Sometimes the y-intercept is 0. This means the line passes through the origin. If m equals 2 and b equals 0, we get y equals 2x plus 0. We don't need to write plus 0, so we simplify it to just y equals 2x. To wrap up, remember these key points. M is always your slope, and b is always your y-intercept. The formula is y equals mx plus b. Just pay close attention to your positive and negative signs when substituting the numbers. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.